Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever tried solving a math problem that mixed a diagram and text? Like figuring out the area of a circle inside a square. It's tricky seeing the image, understanding the relationships, and reasoning through the steps. But what if AI could do this better? Today, we're diving into RACRO, a breakthrough that's making AI smarter at handling these complex multimodal tasks. Let's start with the problem. Traditional AI systems are like one-trick ponies. They're great at analyzing images or processing text, but when you throw both at them, they struggle. Think of it like asking a chef to both cook and manage the restaurant's finances. They're good at their specialty, but juggling two roles. Not so much. To fix this, researchers used to retrain entire models, which is like rebuilding a car's engine every time you want to upgrade the radio. Expensive, time-consuming, and not very efficient. Enter RACRO, short for Reasoning-Aligned Perceptual Decoupling via Caption Reward Optimization. Here's the genius. Instead of retraining everything, RACRO splits the work. First, the AI sees the image and generates a caption, a simple text description. Then, a powerful text-based model uses that caption to solve the problem. It's like having a smart assistant who reads the diagram and explains it in plain language before tackling the math. But wait, how do we make sure the caption is good? If it's vague or wrong, even the best reasoning AI will fail. That's where reward optimization comes in. Imagine training a dog with treats. The captions get better when they lead to correct answers. RACRO uses this idea, tweaking the caption generator so it creates descriptions that help the reasoning model succeed. The results? RACRO outperforms traditional methods on tough tasks like math and science problems. It's also scalable. Plug in newer, stronger models without rebuilding the whole system. Think of it as upgrading your car's GPS without replacing the engine. This isn't just a tech win, it's a game changer. From medical imaging to educational tools, RACRO makes AI faster, cheaper, and more adaptable. And the best part? The code is open source, so anyone can experiment. Now let's break down the technical magic behind RACRO. It combines two key techniques: GRPO, Group Relative Policy Optimization, and CRO, Caption Reward Optimization. GRPO is like a student practicing problem-solving with feedback. Each time the AI tries a reasoning step, it gets hints on how to improve. CRO, on the other hand, fine-tunes the AI to create captions that aren't just correct, but useful. For example, if the image shows a circuit diagram, the AI shouldn't just say, "There's a resistor." It needs to highlight details like the resistor's value or its position, which are critical for answering questions about the circuit. Researchers tested RACRO on models of different sizes, from small ones like Qwen2.5-VL-3B to massive ones like R1-32B. The results? Massive improvements. Take Qwen2.5-VL-3B. Without RACRO, it scored 34.6% on a reasoning task. With RACRO, that jumped to 45.4%, a huge leap. And the bigger models? R1-32B saw gains over 56%, proving that RACRO scales up beautifully. But here's the real takeaway. Better captions mean better answers. When the AI gets detailed, structured descriptions, it can solve problems more efficiently. Without those details, it gets stuck in loops, contradicting itself until it fails. So what does this mean for the future of AI? It shows that refining how AI sees and describes the world isn't just about length, it's about precision and clarity. And as models grow bigger, they're not just talking more, they're thinking more deeply. Next time you see an AI-generated caption, remember, some are just scratching the surface, while others are unpacking the whole story. Want to dive deeper? Check the link in the description for the paper and code. See you next time.